Hi everyone, my name is Vanessa. I will be reading you today's prayer of the day. Sit back, relax, and I'll read you today's prayer. So, here's today's prayer. Okay? He has made everything beautiful in its time. Ecclesiastes chapter 3, verse 11. So we go to chapter 3 and we'll look for verse 11. Yet God has made everything beautiful for its own time. He has planted an eternity in the human heart, but even so, people cannot see the whole scope of God's work from beginning to end. And that is today's reading. And I would like to say this in closing. Dear Lord, please send prayers to those in need. Please be kind and be blessed. Take care. Be safe. See you back tomorrow with another prayer of the day. Sending love and prayers to all. Bye-bye for now.